The luxury watch industry has always been a symbol of class, status and wealth. In recent years, the demand for luxury watches has continued to increase and the market has seen a surge in trading values. This 2023, it's essential to understand the latest trends in luxury watch trading value to gauge the industry's direction and potential growth. With technological advancements, the emergence of new markets, and the changing consumer preferences, the luxury watch industry is inevitably undergoing a transformation. Welcome to another episode of The Steady Ticker. Do you have a soft spot for watches? Subscribe now to The Steady Ticker and click the notification bell to keep posted on the latest news on different luxury watch brands and its industry. We create content on trivias, intricacies, history and anything under the weather about luxury watch brands and their models. In this video, we'll explore some of the most fascinating trends that are making waves in the luxury watch industry in 2023. Before we dive into the latest trends in the luxury watch market for 2023, let's take a quick look back at the market trends from 2022. In 2022, the luxury watch market faced some challenges, with the overall market cap for watches decreasing. This can be attributed to a number of factors, including the global economic slowdown and a shift towards digital platforms for purchasing goods. As a result, some of the most prestigious watch brands saw a decline in their value, including Richard Mille and Audemars Piguet. Despite this, certain watches managed to maintain their value or even experience an increase in demand. Vintage watches from established brands continued to be highly sought after by collectors, with some models selling for millions of dollars at auctions. Limited edition and special collaboration models, which are often produced in smaller quantities and with unique features or designs, also maintain their value well. For example, the collaboration between Swiss watchmaker Patek Philippe and Tiffany & Co. resulted in some of the most highly coveted and valuable watches in the world. Furthermore, watches with unique and distinctive features, such as tourbillons and perpetual calendars, are often viewed as investments by collectors and therefore maintain their value well. A tourbillon, which is a mechanism that helps regulate the accuracy of a watch, is a complex and a highly prized feature in luxury watches. Similarly, a perpetual calendar, which can display the correct date for hundreds of years, is a valuable complication that is often found in high-end watches. Now that we've reviewed the status of the luxury watch market in the past year, let us now proceed to the latest trends and expert predictions for the watch industry in this year, 2023. According to market forecasts, the global luxury watch market is predicted to grow at a CAGR of 5.3% and reach a size of $53.5 billion by 2028. One of the key drivers of this growth is the increasing number of purchases made by celebrities, wealthy individuals, and royalty who are seen as influencers in the luxury watch market. Additionally, the integration of smart features in luxury watches has also contributed to the rising sales, as it appeals to consumers who want to showcase their high status and wealth. Furthermore, there has been a growing demand for luxury watches among women. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the demand for high-end brands such as Citizen Watch has increased, and this trend is expected to continue, resulting in higher prices to keep up with the demands. The rise of luxury watch market can be attributed to the following reasons: increase of distribution channels, increasing demand of smartwatches, increase of regional purchases, and the emergence of Asia-Pacific countries. The luxury watch market is experiencing growth in both online and offline channels, with online purchases expected to increase at the fastest CAGR of 5.05%. Online transactions offer a range of benefits such as secure transactions, flexible return options, and centralized customer service, making it a preferred option for consumers. Companies like Ralph Lauren, Fossil Group, and Rolex Incorporated dominate the online market, leveraging their strong offline presence to drive online sales and expand their global reach. Despite the rise in online purchases, offline purchases will continue to be popular due to their ability to physically examine the products before buying. Moreover, electronic watches hold a significant share of over 69.15% of the revenue. Some luxury watch companies, such as the Swatch Group Limited, Apple Incorporated, A. Lange & Son, and Rolex SA, are experiencing growth in both channels by offering customization options for their watches. Apple Incorporated, for example, has seen an increase in sales due to its ability to offer customizable features such as material, color, and other specifications. As a result, the luxury watch market is expected to continue to grow in both online and offline channels, offering a range of options to consumers looking to invest in high-end products. Besides the proven strength of the industry in both of its offline and online channels, the luxury watch market has also seen a rise in demand for smartwatches, which has contributed significantly to its projected increase in market value. In 2022, Apple released the Apple Watch Ultra, which boasts a 49mm titanium case, a bright display, and other advanced features. The Apple Watch Series 8 and the Apple Watch SE also cater to women's health and wellness, crash detection, and the ability to stay connected with the family. With health concerns at the forefront of many consumers' minds, these watches offer a range of features to support a healthy lifestyle. Fossil, another leading brand in the luxury watch market, released the Gen 6 hybrid smartwatch in 2022. This watch combines traditional design with smartwatch features, including Alexa support and an SpO2 sensor. As the consumers prioritize wellness and fitness, watches that offer features like heart rate monitoring and step tracking are becoming increasingly popular. Another trend for this year is the popularity of the luxury watch industry in Asia and other parts of the world. Japan, India, and China have emerged as major consumers of luxury watches, and their growing demand is contributing significantly to the growth of the luxury watch market. In addition to these countries, North America, the Middle East, and Europe are also significant markets for luxury watches. In North America, luxury watches have long been a status symbol for the wealthy. The United States, in particular, is home to many affluent consumers who seek out high-end timepieces from brands like Rolex, Cartier, and Omega. The luxury watch market in North America is projected to continue growing, driven by the strong economy and the growing demand for luxury goods. In the Middle East, luxury watches are popular among both locals and expats. The region is home to many high-end shopping destinations, such as the Dubai Mall, where consumers can purchase luxury watches from brands like Patek Philippe, Breguet, and Vacheron Constantin. The Middle East luxury watch market is expected to continue growing as the region's economy diversifies and more consumers seek out luxury goods. In Europe, luxury watches have a long history and are deeply ingrained in the culture. Swiss brands like Rolex, Omega, and Patek Philippe are world-renowned for their precision and craftsmanship, and many consumers in Europe and beyond seek out these brands for their quality and prestige. The luxury watch market in Europe is expected to remain strong, driven by the region's rich cultural heritage and growing demand for luxury goods. The increasing demand for luxury watches in these countries and regions is expected to further drive the growth of the luxury watch market. As more consumers around the world seek out high-end timepieces, luxury watch brands are expanding their reach through e-commerce and retail channels, with a particular focus on emerging markets like Japan, India, and China. With continued demand from these regions and others, the luxury watch market is projected to grow in the coming years, offering new opportunities for brands and consumers alike. As mentioned earlier, China's market for luxury watches has been flourishing in recent years, attracting top-tier manufacturers like Chanel, Cartier, Patek Philippe, Rolex, Omega, Tissot, Blancpain, Rado, and Piaget. The Chinese market provides these brands with a competitive platform to acquire goods and promote sales. Moreover, China's growing interest in fashion trends and sports has driven the demand for luxury sales in the region, with consumers seeking to demonstrate their social status and affluence. QNet, a renowned direct-selling company, has recently introduced Mugnier, a Swiss watch brand in India, featuring its Mode, Semper, and Invictus collections. The availability of premium watches online has become more competitive, resulting in an increase in watch production in the region. Additionally, tourists visiting the region have contributed to the growth of the luxury watch market, as they are more inclined to purchase high-end luxury products. The increasing demand for luxury watches in China, India, and other regions, along with the availability of high-quality products and increasing online competition, is likely to drive the growth of luxury watch market. This trend is expected to continue in the coming years, with consumers increasingly seeking to demonstrate their social status and affluence through luxury goods. Additionally, the growing interest in fashion trends and sports, particularly among young consumers, is expected to contribute to the growth of the luxury watch market. Manufacturers are likely to continue to target these regions with new collections and innovative designs, further fueling the growth of the luxury watch market. Overall, the market for luxury watches is expected to grow as more consumers seek to own premium timepieces as a symbol of their status and wealth. Want to hear more about watches? Hit the subscribe button below to support the Steady Ticker channel and click the notification bell to instantly know about our new videos on luxury watches. See you in the next one.